note, it's time to sort of move on to more beautiful things then. For our next story, let's add a twinkle to your eye and awe to your lips, because we are going to talk about the adorable tuxedo wearing birds and easily the most loved flightless birds. I'm talking about penguins.
Penguins are they waddle aquatic creatures that consist of 20 species that live entirely in the southern hemisphere. And thus, obviously, with global warming, their own lives, their ecosystems that they live within, those are under risk. So, on World Penguin Day, we're going to remind you to do your bit to save these lovely, slightly furry creatures.
Yes. Please, let's protect these beautiful creatures, appreciate their swimming skills, their social skills. And did you know that penguins only take one partner for life? They have this amazing monogamous lifestyle and they also have great parenting skills. Well, before we dive into more on that, take a look at this next report and it will be a treat to your eyes, we promise.
April 25th is not an actual holiday, but a fine time to think about these amazing aquatic flightless birds, penguins. World Penguin Day is reported to have been started by researchers in Antarctica. The day marks that time of the year when the Adelie penguin begins moving towards the north during the winter. Though the day may have been started for Adelie penguins, it's used to celebrate all of the world's different species of penguins. Adelie penguins are one of the 17 to 20 species of penguins recognized worldwide. The southern hemisphere is home to most of these penguins, with a total of about 20 species known to humans. The emperor penguin is the largest species of penguins, whereas the smallest are found along the coastal areas of New Zealand and Australia. One of the most popular and intriguing characteristics of penguins is that of them waddling with their group in icy lands. This has made them a popular subject for animated movies and cartoons. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, 10 of the 17 species of penguin currently exist are endangered or threatened with extinction. Penguins are highly social animals that spend up to 3/4 of their lives in the sea. They rely on the oceans for food, and thus overfishing and pollution are the major threats to their survival. Climate change is also a major concern for penguin species. World Penguin Day provides an opportunity to appreciate these unique animals and take a stand against the threats they face. Bureau Report, CNN News 18.
You clearly don't want to live in a world without penguins and you don't want to endanger them, so please do your bit to ensure that you're doing and contributing to a greener planet.
Okay,